Hi guys, today we are at a company called Roland Made where they do industrial design and manufacturing, and we're going to be having a look at some of the super cool components that they're injection molding.
The process begins with small plastic pellets made from a polymer called acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, or ABS for short. These pellets are then placed into a hopper to be fed into the main injection cylinder. The cylinder uses a special reciprocating screw which uses friction to melt the plastic as the screw turns. The now molten plastic is further tempered by heating bands attached to the outside of the cylinder. Once the end of the screw has been filled with plastic, it is ready to be injected into the molds. After injecting the plastic into the mold, it will very quickly allow some air in to cool it down and pop out the newly made part. Some plastic is made from a singular cavity or mold, and that produces just one part, while others are made from a multi-cavity mold, which produces more than one part. There is the sprue, which is attached to separate runners, which then attaches to the various cavities or different plastic parts. Once multi-cavity injection has been completed, the sprues and runners are then cut off from the individual parts and are reused for later batches.
This is called a mold, and the mold has different varieties that it's playing. It's cooling down and then it's shaping, giving the shape to the plastic, and cools down the plastic so that it can become as solid as this.
Thank you for watching, and we hope you've enjoyed this tour of a plastic injection mold factory.